Here's how to duplicate a Wix site. Duplicating a Wix site allows you to create a backup or use an existing site as a template for a project. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to duplicate your Wix site. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to your Wix dashboard or click Design Your Website, and then find the site you wanted to duplicate. Then, click on the Site Actions button next to your site. From the drop-down menu, select Duplicate Site. Wix will then create a copy of your site, including all its pages, design, and content. Once the duplication process is complete, you can rename the new site and make any necessary adjustments before publishing it. And that's it. That's how you duplicate a Wix site. See you soon.